Hello again, George with Coatings by the Bay. And today's topic of discussion is how the heck do I care for a ceramic coating? I just spent $1,000 plus to have my vehicle protected. I want to do this the right way. What is required of me? And the first thing that we touch on is it's designed to be easy. Yes, it was an investment, but you also don't have to baby it. It's a chemical resistant layer of protection atop the vehicle. Don't be afraid of using the wrong soap, or can I use this topper, or there are instances where ceramic coating is, been used in an industrial way to transport arsenic. It is made to take some abuse. Just again, it's more of a chemical resistant abuse versus physical abrasions. So anyway, back to the cleaning. The preferred method is going to be a 2-bucket wash. 1 bucket for rinsing, 1 bucket for soap. You'll use, a high quality mitt like this, where it's microfiber on top. What's going to be crazy is the soap I suggest and have suggested for years is just good old Meguiar's Gold Class. It's available at Walmart, any big box store. But the reason I suggest that soap is there's no additives, and no whatever wash and wax or ceramic infused, whatever. It is just a pH neutral soap without additives. And certainly it's cheap, so people enjoy that too. And Meguiar's is a staple within the detailing industry, so it's never a bad thing to utilize Meguiar's products. And really, the simplest method, you can purchase a foam cannon. Some people don't want to make that investment, but if you have a foam cannon, you're going to foam the car first, then take the wash mitt, go around the vehicle, rinse, dry. We recommend Dreadnought. That is the brand of towel. It can get around an entire truck without leaving water streaks. Highest quality towel on the market for drying vehicles. So yeah, Dreadnought's a great towel. All of this stuff comes to you in a follow-up with links to make purchasing easy. I don't make any money on any of the purchases. It's just to help guide you through the process. But yeah, basic care should be done first and foremost, washing it yourself if possible. If that's not an option in the middle of February, as I've mentioned in other videos, I myself use Fleet Farm's touch-free wash 2-3 times a week all winter. A touch-free wash will get you to 85-90%. It won't get you to perfect. But it is a lot easier, certainly, than going out and washing yourself 4 times a week. So automatic touch-free washes are fine. In the follow-up email you'll get after the coating has been installed, I touch on a few more specific things like how to remove bug guts, bird droppings, sap, that type of stuff. I'm not going to go into all that detail on this. Ultimately, it's easier across the board. Ceramic coatings are made to be very difficult for stuff to stick to. So it's not an incredibly difficult process. Certainly always suggest starting least aggressive. So things like a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water is a good solution for most of that stuff. You want to use high quality microfibers. We use Mr. Everything's at Coatings by the Bay. They're 400 GSM. And it's a good balance of soft enough to work on paint and hard enough to scrub a stain out of the carpet if needed. So yeah, Mr. Everything's are a great towel to use both inside and outside on the vehicle. If you have specific questions about aftercare, you're welcome to reach out. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023. Again, my name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay. I hope you found this video educational. If you have any questions at all, like I said, just shoot me a text. We are the #1 rated shop in Northeast Wisconsin for a reason. Most of it being that we put education over sales and have by far the most robust website covering over 400 FAQs. We have a blog that kind of goes deeper. The FAQs are just like a quick 1-paragraph answer, and then we cover some of the really common questions super in depth on our blog to give you a full insight on what's going on. So hope to be working with you soon and have a great day.